So my first impressions is it's very lightweight. It has the wire cutter on the bottom here, and then your wire puller is in the middle here. As you can see, it grips and pulls, and this is a really cool feature. It has the voltage checker to make sure that the wire that you're cutting doesn't have a live current flowing through. So let me show you. I have this cable plugged in currently. Now I'm going to show you. See how it's telling me not to cut the wire because there's live current electricity running through these wires. So it's a text. You can also put this in your outlet to see if your outlet is live as well. So yeah, that's a great feature that I have on there. So I'm going to turn that off. So now that I have the actual cable unplugged, so I'm not going to cut the wire with live electric running through, that would be bad. So I'm going to cut the wire to show you how easy it is to cut, just like so. As far as the wire pulling, you just put it on the top here and push down. It happens right away. Look at all this I created already, just by doing that.